Hi guys, I'm Qasim. So today we're making fish. It's very delicious, very yummy, very delicious. And now we're putting oil. This is fish. We're cooking already. Fish, 2 kilo fish. This is onions, 2 onions, and this is garlic, and 2 tomatoes. And this is spices. And now we're putting oil. Half cup of oil. Very less oil. Now we put in onions and then we mix it. This is my recipe, my own recipe. Very delicious. So now look, onion is brown. We're mixing. And now we're gonna put garlic in it. So this is tomato we put inside. So this is tomato. We already put garlic. And now this is spicy. Salt, half tablespoon salt. And 1 tablespoon chili powder. And then we mix it. And now after you put it inside, because we make it coriander powder. And then this is 1 tablespoon. And then after you put inside coriander powder. And then after you mixing, tomatoes let them melt. Don't use water. If you use water, fish could be no good. That's why. Never use water. And now, even good. You have to copy it. No water. And look, oil is coming out. We're mixing a little bit, and onions brown. And now we're putting fish. We try pressing in. We all take off water. And now we're gonna put the fish. And we're after we're mixing things in. It mix so hard, yeah, fish broke. So we mix very gently to the color. And this is mixing. Look, fish curry masala now. And now look, fish is brown. Fish is broke like later with keema making. And we're adding 2 tablespoons of lemon dressing. Little mixing. And now we're still mixing. So look guys, fish's oil is coming out and fish 3%, but we're mixing. And look, it's still not done, but oil is coming out. And now we're still mixing. So now we're still mixing. Look, it's beautiful, very nice and very tasty. I like it, very yummy. I like mint meat. And now it's look like mint meal now. It's still not done, 80%. Very yummy, very delicious, very scrumptious, and very healthy. And very nice, different to other people. And now look, oil's coming out. Very yummy, very delicious. And now now we're adding chili to make it look tasty. We're mixing. It's so delicious. And now look, it's still not done, 95%. And now it's done. We're adding plates, and look, it's so delicious, so yummy, so yummy, so delicious. My recipe and it's different, other recipe, different from my other people. And I hope when you first time see, very nice, very good, and very delicious. Please like, subscribe, share with your family, friends. Enjoy this video, and I'm gonna try. It's very delicious, very nice, and so yummy, so delicious. I love this fish, it's so yummy. It's my recipe. Okay, bye guys, bye.